welcome back to my channel. I'm Becky, and if you're new here then welcome and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. We are going to be redecorating my spring Arletta for the fall season. This is going to be super easy, quick craft that can reuse stuff that you already have in your home. So without further ado, grab yourself a drink and let's get on with the video. For this, you are going to want some card. I've already cut this out. I might have to trim it a little bit more because when I did this original video, which you can see up here, I basically made it so it's removable, so you can easily interchange it and you're not sticking it to the wood and then having to rebuy, so you can change for the season. So you're going to want this wooden Arletta. I picked this up from Hobbycraft. I'll link it down below. I've got, like I said, my card, I've got some hot glue gun sticks and my glue gun here. Then I've also just got some cinnamon sticks. I've got my leaves that I've used to do my wreath and my flower decoration. Those videos I will link up here now if you wanted to watch those. That was a super quick and easy craft to do. Again, repurposing our spring summer decorations for autumn. And then just in case I want it, I've got this lovely velvet orange ribbon. This was also from Hobbycraft and these leaves were from Amazon. I'll link those. I'll link everything down below, guys. First thing we're going to want to do is take out our spring decoration. Now some of this is loose and it's not stuck onto the foam, so this might go everywhere. So you can see how that has just slotted out of the Arletta, so we can just repurpose it. So I'll move this to one side, tidy up these little bits. Now I'm just going to see whether this R fits in. I might have to trim it a little bit more. So it still doesn't fit, so I'm just going to trim around it a bit more, see where I need to cut it. Also, I have got Sabrina Carpenter's new song Taste stuck in my head. Oh my god, what has that woman done to me? And the music video is so good. I actually watched, apparently it's based off of Death Becomes Her with Meryl Streep and Goldie Hawn, and I watched that last night and it was actually a really good film. So, okay, that fits in now. So I am just going to stick a little tab behind it so I can lift it out easily once all the decorations are on. That's what I did with the previous one. So all I'm going to do is just get some of the card that I'd cut out from the middle of the letter, get some glue on it, and I'm just going to stick it like that so it can bend up and be like a little pull tab. And I'll slot that back in. For this spring one, I did add some like stuffing onto it. I just kind of glued this on to give it a bit of depth. I'm going to see whether we can just layer the leaves on this because I don't think we're going to need it, and I might add some bows in here. So before I stick anything on, I'm just going to go in and place some of the leaves. In fact, if I get them all out, I can see all the colours. Okay, so I'm just kind of placing these in to begin with to see what it's going to look like. I'm hoping this is going to turn out okay. We're gonna see, because it's obviously quite like a just single depth object, so you can add a bit more depth in there. I'm going a bit over the edges at the top, but at the bottom I'm trying to keep it flat because I don't want to lose the shape of the letter. Okay, so this has turned into one of those crafts where planning isn't working, so we're just going to jump straight in. I'm just going to start gluing stuff to the off, and we're just going to hope for the best. Okay, so to add depth, I've just kind of accidentally discovered this. I am gluing a dot in the leaf and folding it over, and that was a very happy mistake. I find that happens with crafting. Sometimes you just start doing it and you can try and plan it out, but planning it out isn't good, and then all of a sudden it glues together by accident. Boom, you've got a lovely little design. Okay, so I'm just going to keep adding leaves and then we'll see what I'm going to do next. I'll bring you guys along for the next part. So this is currently how we are looking. I want to judge it out. I feel like it looks a bit just flat. So I have a few of these that I've taken off of my spring one, and I think I'm just going to place these in like a few random places around it. I've got a few different cinnamon sticks, so I'm just going to place these again, just kind of in random places. I'm just feeling it out at the moment. Okay, so I've placed all my bits on. I'm going to glue some of these bits on. I've just tried to fill out some of the gaps that looked a bit flat with some more 3D objects. So I'm going to glue those, I'm going to glue gun those on. Okay guys, so this is what the finished pieces ended up looking like. I definitely think I preferred my spring one, but that's just my personal aesthetic. I love like all the pastel colours. But now I have made my autumn one. It goes with my autumn wreath, it goes with my autumn flower arrangement. So this is just going to sit really nicely, and when it starts getting more to Halloween season, I'm going to start having like some little pumpkins added to it and bits like that. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. It's a super quick and easy craft to do with bits that you already had and repurpose some of your spring and summer crafts as well. If you like this video, please comment down below an autumn leaf emoji, and while you're down there, hit that like button and subscribe also, and I'll catch you at the next video. Thanks guys, bye!